Hello, this is how to create a collections for your help center on Widgion. So Widgion allows you to categorize related articles together using a collection. So the first thing you have to do is to log in and you select your desired project. Then you navigate to the help center. Then this is the dashboard you're going to see when you just click on the help center newly. So you click on create first collection. Then you enter a collection title, let's say introduction to my product. And you have the option of selecting whatever icon you want to use for that category. So just click on this and then you select your choice of icon to differentiate that category from others. So when you're done, you had a description, beginner's guide. So when you're done with this, you just select your language and then you click on save category. And that is how to create a category on Widgion. So when you want to update this, you just click on it and then you click on the add content and create a new article inside that category. So whatever article you have under the introduction to my product category will just be added here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.